बुधवारा बेंगलोरात इंडियन सुपर लीग 2024-25 कपाच्या पहिल्या सेमीफायनलीच्या पहिल्या टप्प्यातली मॅच जातली. बेंगलोर FC आणि FC गोवा मदी हो सामनो जातलो.
I think he's not the best, but you never know. Obviously, it's not an advantage, it's a reality that they played the other day one game and they started earlier than us to prepare this game. But this is not an excuse. We know what we think that they will start or they will try to start the game in a strong way. But we are a good team, and I think that will be a difficult game for both teams. Okay, both legs maybe.
What do you expect from Bengaluru FC, at least in the first leg? Do you think they will come hard at you, try and take the advantage?
Yeah, it's true that it's not the same when you play one game like the other day that is heads or tails.
Yeah.
And they started very strong the game, and they play a good game. Yeah? You never know if it's because Bengaluru play a good game or Mumbai was not in his best performance, but obviously, always you have to expect the best version of the opponent, and then you need to perform in a good way, very good way. We know that we play in Bangalore, but we know that this is a game that can be 180, 210 minutes. Then, obviously, full of good players in both teams. As Carl said, no, Bengaluru is a long time that they are 4, 5, 6 players in the national team always. Now in the FC Goa is also with some players. I think that will be a nice. Not only the game, both legs will be nice. Will be difficult for sure, but doesn't matter if we drew, won or lost, because yesterday was a clear example. No? Northeast not only won, not only beat Jamshedpur in the ISL, beat 5-0, and I don't remember the other score, but very clear. And yesterday was the opposite. They were very nervous, also because Jamshedpur scored first. And this kind of games, Carl play a lot more than me. More, but I play also with both teams, with Hyderabad and with FC Goa, and sometimes are details. I remember playing against them in Hyderabad, we were very lucky. We didn't deserve to arrive to the final, and we arrived to the final. So some moments are details, no? And I feel that was very strange last season because we played, for me, better than Mumbai in the first leg, and everyone remembered how finished the game, no? I think that you need to control all the details during all the minutes to keep high concentration during maximum minutes as possible.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळकार.